Hey guys, what's up? How you doing? You remember the guys from Dr. Zen's? These are the guys that donated this awesome air purifier. Not just any one, but a medical grade one. The only medical grade one for your home. And we raffled that off recently, and congratulations to the lucky winner. Super awesome because there were over 20,000 people who joined this one. And that just goes to show you the kind of need there is out there, because this is not a luxury item. Let's face it, it's not like a cell phone or a dash cam cameras. This is really something vital. If you are in a room that needs a little bit of sterilization, you're sickly, well, you know what the value is of that, and that's why you joined. But what I wanted to get at is at the end of that video, basically what I did was I offered up, boom, this, if you were listening and you got to the end, you would have known we were raffling this off from the same folks, Dr. Zen. See, this is your digital blood pressure monitor. Let's open it up. It's going to be an unboxing, and at the end, somebody's going to win this, all right? So it's a very simple looking device. In there, that's a carrying pouch with a micro USB cord inside. Very simple and garden variety. And this here is the device. Now, what I love about this is you see how there's just nothing else except two little cards for instructions. That means it's easy to use. So it comes with this device over here, which you pretty much put over here. I don't want to dirty it because it's going to go to somebody, but you put it up here. You can do it yourself, but better if you have somebody else do it for you. But you know what? Look, I can do it myself. Just follow the instructions on the app. It's very straightforward. And the really cool thing about this is it comes with an app, or one that you download from the App Store, obviously, for Google Play and for Android. Now, it can also keep sort of a data for your entire family. That's a really cool thing, isn't it? You've got high accuracy, hospital grade technology. You've got of course, it measures your heart rate as well. The battery life lasts for up to 24 hours. Great if you're traveling and somebody who needs to monitor regularly is not near any power. It's waterproof. I don't know why, but it is. Okay, so it's cool. It's IP22. Maybe you want to check your blood pressure while you're swimming. Maybe not. Okay, that doesn't sound like a good idea, but hey, if it gets wet, you know you're covered here. It's got the app-based intelligence, cloud data storage, family account management, a Bluetooth 4.0, and data storage. And the best part of all, somebody is going to get it absolutely free. All you gotta do is put a little heart there in the, is that how you do it? A little heart there in the comments box, because the heart is, well, you know, blood pressure, and it shows a bit of love. See what I did there? Cute, right? So just put your little heart in the comments box. Once again, the app will be completely random. I've got nothing to do with it. Like when I gave away the air purifier, a lot of people shared their stories, which is great. I actually asked for you to do that, but it doesn't actually help your case. And I did say that in the raffle. It is completely, utterly, totally random. So I hope this goes out to somebody who really needs it, because this is vital. Blood pressure is something you should be monitoring regularly. High blood pressure is a big killer, and low blood pressure isn't cool either. So if you can get this and you can monitor yourself, these are also available at selected Mercury drugstores. Check it out. If you don't win it and you still want to get it, that's where you can get it from. So good luck. I'll see you guys later.